Y'all, don't let me have cash in my pocket when somebody posts some garbage on Marketplace. I'm dying to take a look at this thing though in the daylight and actually get a look at it. Charlie, you like the truck? Not a fan? Well, she was 250 bucks. About 2-hour drive. Went and scooped her up in the dead of night and brought her home, and haven't looked at it in a few days, so we're gonna look it over. She's an ecosystem, you know, a little mildew, that'll wash right off. She's got some weight reduction and one of those non-latching tailgates with a couple spare tires. That's cool. You know, that's probably fine. So, you know, all I saw on the post was whole truck, 250 bucks, and there was an engine bay picture that showed an entire Z24. I do see an AC compressor condenser, so she's an AC model. That's a plus. A little bit more, you know, carbon fiber. This is probably the main reason she was cheap, though. Whoops. This looks like a spare from a 620, maybe. Much older. Old. This is definitely from this truck. Probably holds air just fine. That's fine. Got a Pi 10. Broken beer bottle. Ooh, a lug wrench. And I doubt a cast iron thermostat housing is from this truck. Doesn't look like we got anything too good back here, so let's see what we got inside. Squeaky door. Access panel. Thing. Fuel line. Ooh. Scraper. Fuel pump. She's got the rubber floor mat. That's cool. Authentic WD-40. Probably need that. Square. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Nissan. Nissan. Probably won't be using that. Owie. No fucking rodents, so that's cool. Got some of those arachnids. That works. Oh yeah. This thing's mint. Sun visors. Those work. You know. Vented windshield. It's blue. Struggling up here a little bit. Some dents. That's fine. That's fine. This door doesn't match. Yeah, that's fine. Oops. Yeah. That's questionable. It's probably fine though. All right. Fuse box cover. What do we say? Looks like 214,000 miles. Seems accurate. How do you do this? What's behind the seat? Dustpan. Probably useful. A lot of broken glass we got to sweep up, so that's cool. No fucking way. Distributor cap. Brand new. Huh. That's getting used. Spider included. Mud daubers. Not necessarily. Cool. Got this neat stick. I love sticks. V-belt. Probably useless. Lots of glass in here. Should probably be a little more careful. Oh yeah. That baby zooms right back. Seat belts. She's a safe one. Let's see what's under the hood. My dog's scared of the wind. So, well, right off the rip, this looks questionable. It's probably fine though. That's cool. When I popped the hood, however, did see a cockroach running across the air cleaner, so that doesn't look fun. We got some, you know, beaver nuggets. She's fine. Manual steering. I don't see an air compressor, so that really, really puts a hurting on this being an air conditioning truck. Dang it. I don't know if I want to see what's in here, but only one way to find out, right? Oh yeah. Well, nobody's scurrying around at the moment, so that's cool. We got some plant life. That looks usable. Yeah. Well, don't trip. Fun. Honestly, very intact. I don't see a whole lot of chewed on bits and pieces, but we are definitely missing more of the air conditioning components than I had hoped for. Dang it. So, yeah, I think it'll run. She was loved. Look at that. That's another Nissan oil filter. Someone cared about this little girl. That's nice. All right, what do we got in here? It's green. That's cool. There's a little bit in there. All right. What you got in here? Please don't be a bunch of water. Okay, black. It smells like oil. Doesn't really smell like gas. This is looking good. Well, I don't think I've ever seen the factory metal under tray doodad, so that's neat. All four of these little balloon things, they're holding air. That's cool. Frame rail seems not perforated. The exhaust does mysteriously end somewhere between there and here, though. That's probably not important. Well, there's some exhaust. I did check. It's got the 3.7 final drive, same as my hard body. Actually pretty superficial rust it looks like down here. Maybe not, I don't know. That looks kind of suspect maybe, I'm not sure. That gas tank looks awfully silver though. So maybe we got some good stuff. That's my dog. Yeah, I mean, he said it had a new gas tank. New as in he put it in 5 or 10 years ago and it hasn't really driven since then. So, you know, that's probably worthless, but it's new. Old. I do have a key in the ignition. This radio is really cool. So, guess let's see if the motor spins freely. Check out the next episode, see if we can get this thing started.